In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Glovo app not working. So if Glovo application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network, but still if your application is not working, there might be some bugs in the application. In order to fix it, what you can do is simply update it. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Glovo. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Glovo and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it and your application will be updated. After the application is updated, the bugs might be fixed and your application should start working now. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the app's cache and data. For that, what you have to do is simply launch open app library on your device. Now what you have to do is find the application for Glovo. Long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. Find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. First of all, tap on this option clear cache. Now cache of the application will be cleared. If the issue still persists, also try clearing the storage. Tap on this option clear storage. Now tap on this option OK. Now after you do that, the application should start working now. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and reinstall it. After that, your application will definitely work. But if the application still does not work, the problem might be with the device itself. So in that case, what you can do is simply restart your device. Long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Now the temporary software glitches of your device should be fixed and your application should start working now. So that is how you fix Glovo app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.